Craving something tropical, fruity, and extra refreshing? This fresh pineapple mug cake is soft, juicy, and bursting with pineapple flavor. Best part, it's ready in just minutes. It's the easiest way to bring island vibes straight to your mug. Sweet, tangy, and absolutely irresistible. Let's make it together. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, the base that gives your cake structure and softness. Lightly level it off so you get just the right amount. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Mix them well so the cake bakes up light and fluffy. Make sure there are no lumps of flour hiding at the bottom or corners of the mug. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of milk. Dairy or almond oat both work. 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter, a teaspoon of pineapple puree or juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all really well until the batter turns smooth and creamy. While mixing, I noticed the batter wasn't as runny as I wanted, so I added a teaspoon of pineapple puree. It made the texture smoother and boosted the fruity flavor too. Gently stir in your 2 tablespoons fresh pineapple chunks so you get bursts of fruit in every bite. Watch how the batter turns golden and fruity as the pieces blend in. Cook the mug cake for about 1 minute 20 seconds to 1 minute 40 seconds, depending on your microwave. For a quick pineapple glaze, mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar with 1½ teaspoon of fresh pineapple juice. Keep stirring until the glaze turns silky smooth and glossy. That's when you know it's ready to drizzle. Drizzle it over the warm cake, and you've got the perfect sweet, tangy finish. Top it off with a couple of fresh pineapple chunks and a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles, and there you have it. A soft, fruity, tropical fresh pineapple mug cake that tastes like a mini island getaway in a mug. Quick, juicy, and oh so satisfying. Perfect for brightening up your day in just minutes. Don't forget to share your tropical creation with someone who loves pineapple.